Oh my gosh. A whole farm walking towards us. He's had enough, don't you think? Yeah, probably. I don't know what to do. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison if you're new here, and this is Taryn. And today we're doing something very exciting and terrifying. We are going to feed animals and sit like in our car. We're really nervous.
Sit like in our car.
Yeah. I'm actually so scared.
I know.
These animals are gonna eat us alive. We got our feed.
It smells like,
Oh my gosh. It smells like
so
dog
bad.
poop.
I don't know why I'm trusted
Taryn,
to
I'm
drive.
so scared. We're not feeding those longhorns. You're literally lying. We are not feeding them. Taryn!
I need to calm my mouth.
I'm actually gonna start crying. I'm not feeding those. They're gonna figure their head through there.
I wonder if they know what's coming.
Can you actually just pass them? I don't want to feed them. I don't want to feed them.
Come here.
Oh my gosh, you can feed them. You're kidding.
They're coming.
You're kidding. You're kidding. You're kidding.
The big boy is looking at me.
Start driving. Start driving.
Shut up.
Maddie. Hi.
Oh my
Maddie.
gosh, shut up, shut up. Look, look at my side.
Taryn, Taryn, oh my god! Start driving! Start driving! I'm so scared. What is that? I'm gonna barf.
I'm traumatized.
I'm
traumatized. I'm traumatized.
I look
I'm
over,
traumatized.
Taryn, his tongue. Oh my gosh.
Look at my leg from his slobber. Look at the side of my car.
Please keep driving. I don't know what that is. What is that? Oh my gosh, I bumped this one too. What is that? That is prehistoric.
Bruh.
That thing better get away, little yak.
Maddie, that was honestly traumatizing. I hope you know that. That was traumatizing.
That was
My
so
heart is
scary.
racing. I didn't think we could ever leave. And he was so, she was like, no, they don't come up to your window. Literally licked
Yes,
my
they
leg
do.
from it.
That was so scary.
I'm shaking right now. I don't know what to do. I'm not feeling good.
Please don't feed these little big things. What? No, I'm not doing that. We just need to not give them our bucket.
We should have read the rules.
Probably. Should we real quick?
I don't want them to come here.
No, please get away.
I never want to, like, my back hurts from screaming. They probably like,
we're literally screaming bloody murder.
because he was licking me, like my leg. He had his head so hard up against me. I was trying with all my might to push it out and it wouldn't.
Oh, we can
Okay,
feed these
where's
little
the rules?
BBs.
Read it.
Okay.
I'm like,
That was
actually,
seriously,
why would
no
they put that
pets,
on
no
purpose?
trailers. Stay in your car at all times. That's it. That's the only rules they're gonna give us. That was so scary.
That was seriously traumatizing, and I hope I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I'm not being dramatic. That was traumatizing.
But like actually traumatizing. Hi, Nugget.
Throw some at them.
Hi, buddy.
Don't spit it. I think they spit.
Yeah, they do.
What?
Bruh.
We got a beef.
Here, look.
Nice. Boy, get out. Keep going.
No. Oh my gosh, don't run over his feet. That's my biggest fear.
okay.
Please don't run over his toes.
Bruh.
Okay, drive. Here.
Okay, bye.
Look. Go. Go. Go.
Wow.
Don't run over his toes.
Another one. This is split. What do you? He literally ate it.
Oh.
Hi, you're cute.
Oh my goodness. Hi, Bubba.
Hi. Here you go.
Reach him. Come on this side.
Here you go. There's a big like alpaca.
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm rolling at my window
No,
when
you're
that
not.
guy comes.
No, you have to feed him.
Taryn, no. No.
I'm literally traumatized.
Look at you right now. Tyrion, I don't want to be by this outback. I'm not kidding.
I'm stopping right beside it.
No, wait, because that wagon's up there. I don't want to be up there.
What are we supposed to do?
Sit here.
You're disgusting.
Please. Show.
It looks like I'm an influencer.
I'm so scared.
We have a whole farm walking towards us.
I don't like it when they eat out of my hand at all. What in the mother dirt is that? You can go to the other side. No! You're kidding. Hey, buddy. You got games? Oh my gosh, buddy, get out of my car.
And like they smell like crap. I'm not even gonna get out. Like my smell.
Can
like,
you move your ass?
He's pissed. He's like cranking his ears back. Buddy, you gotta move. You gotta move. Excuse me.
Beep beep.
Excuse me.
Wait.
His
Come here.
ears are back, which means he's
Come
pissed.
here. You want some food? Come. Go, 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 go.
He got
Feed really? It. Look at his matted
Feed
fur.
it. He wants something.
Tyrion, don't. I'm so scared. I don't know if I can do this.
Feed it.
Tyrion,
feed it.
No.
We're here.
Tyrion! Tyrion! His freaking eyeballs. You can't even see him.
Good boy. See if he's being good.
Okay, okay.
Okay, just put.
Okay.
Push him out a little bit. Okay, excuse me. Push his head back.
I need my belt off.
Either.
Feed him. You have to. You made me.
Okay, wait. Hold on. I'm scared. Okay, just a little. Just a snack. Mmm, good. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. No. It almost smashed him. Hold on, buddy.
Tyrion. Please go. No.
Let me see if I'll come over.
No. Tyrion, go. Go. No. Go. Drive. Ah! I don't like it. There's so much slobber on your window.
Oh, let me pet him then.
Okay, you shake your food out there. I'm not doing it. You are lying. Look at the slobber on your car. I am so scared for you right now. I could pass out. You're kidding. There's another one. I don't know what to do. He took my bucket. Buddy, you can't get out. It says not to get out. That's on the rules. Stay in your car at all times. He's denting my car. He took my bucket. Tyrion, his eyeballs. Tyrion! Buddy, get away. Oh, you're scared. Don't roll up the window, just drive. I'm so scared. Hi.
I'm like so.
Oh, I don't like the feeling. Why does he eat like that?
He's so
Tyrion,
soft.
Tyrion.
Here, you gotta keep his head out.
No.
Here, feed him out there.
Tyrion! I'm so scared.
Feed him out there again.
Why is he doing that?
Here, he's gonna dent my car. Oh. Wait.
I hate that feeling.
Okay, now he'll walk away. Ready? I hope
I feed like zebras and giraffes. Hold the bucket so that he doesn't. Okay. Hi.
He's cute though.
Hi, baby. I don't like that feeling whatsoever.
He's so cute. Look at his eyelashes.
That was my finger that you just nibbled.
There's someone behind us.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, buddy.
Okay, well they can hold their horses. Why are they running through this like a race? We just have
come
to.
to me. Look, he's coming. You gotta.
Tyrion, you're fine.
You
Tyrion,
gotta.
you're fine.
Why is he so unsure? His mouth feels so wrong. So bad. No, don't cause drama.
Stop moving. Are you literally kidding? Are you literally kidding? Are you kidding? Oh, that bull is coming. Tyrion, let him come up here and then you can shut your window. Just let him come up here and then you can shut your window.
They're trying to get some people. Maybe if he comes, he's stuck. Uh-oh, buddy. Oh, I feel bad. That's what those big old horns are for. Did I pet you? He's a cutie boy.
He's actually
sweet.
And you called him fat. You should feel like a
I
horrible
do.
person.
These are mean though, so I don't feel mean to be mean back.
I see leaves on him.
That's enough slices. Hey, you got a friend? These are the nice ones.
Jeez, buddy, get into it.
Come here.
Whoa. Did they fart?
Okay, that's enough, buddy. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Oh my god.
Bro. No,
Stop. Here.
Okay, buddy. Go back. Go back. Here.
Tierney's taking my bucket. No. Tierney's literally keeping up with us. Stop. Tyrion, just let him. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop. He wants it.
He's had enough, don't you think?
Yeah, probably. Probably.
Okay,
probably enough. Probably enough.
It's a safe. Oh, he hit his head. Okay, I don't know what to do. I'm just going faster. Zebra.
No.
That's so pretty.
Oh my gosh. I love zebras. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. He's actually looking into my eyes. I don't know whether to be scared or happy. Hi. Feel his skin. What? Hi, buddy. Hi. This is the coolest thing ever. Hi. Oh, you're so dusty. Oh, okay, coming in that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
He's trying to take it.
Look at how pretty he is.
He is trying to take this with all. Look, his teeth are on it.
Hey, buddy. Oh, he did not want me to touch him.
Really?
Oh my gosh, look, don't bite me. Like, I'm so scared.
Mine's so nice.
Taryn, I think he's annoyed because I don't have much left.
Nice, Taryn. Look, he's trying to take his whole thing.
I don't like it. 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 Hi. Oh, Taryn, they're mad at each other. They're mad at each other. Taryn, go. He literally just ran after him and tried to bite him. I'm so scared right now. I'm like traumatized and scared all at the same time.
Where do I park?
Are you in there?
We just finished. It was traumatizing.
Terrifying. Going in a car, Mom. It is so much worse.
Swinging on this swang. And we decided that we're gonna wait and save another little round for my family, and Taryn's gonna come and we're gonna go in a wagon instead of on a car. So this was traumatizing but fun at the same time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave me a comment and like it. And I'm probably making you dizzy with how much we're swinging. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
This ain't no surprise. Every other night I know them will be giving me.